The next will be ashtray and ball bearing. Gravity falling into the center of it as from a height of 3 feet. So directly above it, coming straight down into it, round ball bearing, weighs about 4 or 5 ounces. One. Nothing broken. There will be no damage, no cracks. Pretty strong glass. Anyhow, that's a negative on the something coming down and hitting it. Now, what I will do later, what I'll do next is I will attempt to heat this up and then have something fall on it. Alright, for my next test is I will do a heated up, I am now have an ashtray that's being washed. I've got it under running hot water. I have 4 ice cubes, freezing my hands off. We will do this next one, placing a hot ashtray that's by water, running water, made hot by running water, on top of the these ice cubes, cold. So, I took it and heated it up on the stove and got to where I couldn't even touch it with my hand. It burned my pinky, as a matter of fact. Still warm on the top, cold on the bottom. No cracks, nothing strange. But it was so hot that I couldn't hold it with my hand. I had to carry it with this oven mitt. So it was probably, you know, up to a couple hundred degrees anyhow. It was pretty hot, pretty warm, because I did burn my finger right there. Ooh. Anyhow, ice is melting quickly. Nothing shattering, nothing breaking yet. We're at 5 minutes. This thing is still setting on ice. Very cold on the bottom and still a little warm on top, so I had it really, really hot. I'm just going to let it sit. I'm going to try it again. I'll figure it out. For our next test, we'll be doing a pneumatic rig. Basically, it will be a shaft that comes out of the bottom of this plate or piece of wood that I have set over here. It won't be completely accurate, but it will be enough to show what's going on. I need to make it a little bit further down like that, not for the ram to show up so much. But you will be able to see from this demonstration whether an air ram would have enough force to break the ashtray. In 3, 2, 1. No breakage. A little marking, very little. There's no crack. Well, there's possible. Yeah, there seems to be some kind of a. It might be a crack. I'm not so sure. It could be a flaw in the design, or it could be a crack in there. Definite line in the glass. It seems to be. No shattering, no, and that's from an air ram at 80 pounds pressure.